Boost your site's traffic overnight with this explosive Twitter tactic. It's changing the game for website owners. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Stay tuned to the end of this video for not only essential Twitter strategies, but also some unexpected advanced tips that will elevate your site's traffic beyond what you've imagined. Twitter is a powerful tool for driving web traffic. By effectively utilizing Twitter, you can tap into a vast audience and direct them to your website. It's all about strategic posting and engagement. Consistency on Twitter is key. Regular tweeting keeps your brand in the spotlight and maintains engagement with your audience. A dormant account won't drive traffic. Twitter is not just a platform for self-promotion. Sharing valuable content from others and genuine interaction enriches your profile and encourages reciprocity, potentially leading more visitors to your site. Hashtags are powerful on Twitter. They enhance visibility and connect you with a wider audience interested in your content. Use them wisely to target relevant conversations and communities. Sharing your website's content on Twitter is essential. Add intriguing captions to blog posts or articles you share to entice followers to click through to your website. Visuals, infographics, and videos on Twitter garner more engagement than plain text. Utilize these formats to grab attention and direct users to your site. Hosting Twitter chats or Q&A sessions positions you as an industry authority. These interactions provide an opportunity to subtly guide followers to your website for more information. Twitter ads can significantly extend your reach. They allow you to target beyond your current followers, potentially driving a new audience to your website. Influencer collaborations on Twitter can have a substantial impact. Their endorsement can drive their followers to your website, increasing traffic significantly. Sharing positive customer feedback on Twitter enhances trust in your brand. This trust can encourage more people to visit your site. Tweet at times when your audience is most active. This ensures maximum visibility for your content and increases the chance of driving traffic to your website. Compelling CTAs and tweets encourage followers to take action, like visiting your website. Effective CTAs can significantly increase click-through rates. Engaging with trending topics relevant to your brand on Twitter increases visibility. This strategy can drive additional traffic to your website as you join larger conversations. Regularly monitoring Twitter analytics helps you understand your audience's preferences and refine your strategy to drive more traffic to your site. Promptly engaging with followers and addressing queries builds a loyal community. Active engagement can encourage more visits to your website. Optimize your Twitter bio with a catchy description and a link to your website. A well-crafted bio can effectively direct traffic to your site. Share interesting snippets from your blog posts on Twitter. These teasers can intrigue followers and lead them to your website for the full story. Collaborate with other businesses for cross-promotion on Twitter. This partnership can be mutually beneficial in driving traffic to each other's websites. Utilize Twitter cards to make your tweets stand out. Rich media in tweets can enhance engagement and direct more traffic to your site. Is our content striking a chord with you? Keep the harmony going. Subscribe, express your tune with a like, and ring the bell for more harmonious content. Ready to continue the melody? Let's dive back into the harmony. Offering exclusive deals on Twitter can be a strong incentive for users to visit your site. Discounts and special offers can significantly boost traffic. Ensure your website and tweets are mobile-friendly. A significant portion of Twitter users access the platform via mobile, so this is crucial for maintaining engagement. Contests or giveaways on Twitter can increase engagement and direct participants to your site. They can be a fun and effective way to boost website traffic. Create Twitter lists to organize contacts and streamline engagement. Lists help you focus on and engage more effectively with key industry players and potential customers. Pinning your most effective tweet at the top of your profile ensures it's the first thing visitors see. This can be an effective way to drive traffic to your website. Utilize Twitter's search feature to identify potential customers and engage with them. This can help drive targeted traffic to your website. Incorporate social proof in your tweets to build credibility. Sharing user testimonials and endorsements can drive more traffic to your site. Provide valuable and engaging content in your tweets. High-quality content encourages more clicks to your website. Encourage website visitors to share your content on Twitter. Implementing easy-to-use social sharing buttons can increase your content's reach. Professionally address negative feedback on Twitter. This approach demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction, which can positively impact website visits. Experiment with different tweeting times to maximize engagement. Finding the optimal time for your audience can lead to more website traffic. Use Twitter's advanced search to find guest blogging or collaboration opportunities. These can lead to increased exposure and traffic to your website. Develop a unique voice for your brand on Twitter. A distinctive brand voice helps you stand out and attract more followers, who can turn into website visitors. Share behind-the-scenes content to humanize your brand. This type of content can pique interest and lead people to explore your website further. Reshare evergreen content. Reposting content ensures it reaches new followers who may have missed it the first time, potentially increasing website traffic. Observe your competitors' Twitter strategies. Learning from their approaches can provide insights into what might work well for your brand too. Consistency in your Twitter marketing efforts is crucial. Regular, engaging interaction on the platform can steadily increase your website traffic over time. In conclusion, Twitter can be a highly effective tool for increasing website traffic. By engaging with your audience, creating shareable content, and using strategic promotional techniques, you can significantly boost your site's visibility and attract more visitors. Dive into the digital revolution with our free ebook, your first step in mastering today's top online business strategies. But this is only the beginning of your transformation. Following the ebook, immerse yourself in a 15-day challenge specifically designed to bring these strategies to life, guided by the wisdom of digital business experts. This is where you transition from concept to execution, equipping yourself with a toolkit designed for online success. Ready to make a lasting impact? Step into action with confidence. Click the link in the description and begin your journey to becoming a leader in the digital business world. Rolling up the map on today's e-earning exploration. Navigated through the method? Discovered new territories or still charting? Plot your course in the comments. Did today's financial exploration lead you to uncharted riches? Click like to plant your flag? Craving more adventurous earning routes? Subscribe and ring the bell, ensuring you're always ready for new explorations. Before you pack your compass, spot that video in the horizon? It's a new route to another hidden treasure of online income. Embark, and let's continue our quest for digital wealth. Until our next exploratory venture.